examples. So first number is, it has written, find the
Sir, it is
complement of,
recording.
no, I think your phone has told. Okay, let it be. So see here. So can you see?
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, sir.
So first number we have discussed yesterday, how to find out the complement angle.
Yes.
Okay, so if I say 36, so what will be its complement?
And what?
If I say 36 degree, then what will be the complement angle of that 36 degree?
56.
What will be?
54.
54. Yes.
4.
Okay. So I have to just minus that from
Subtract that.
90. From 90.
90.
Okay, because it is complement. And if I say supplement of 30 degree, 36 degree,
56. Sir, what
supplement
complement?
angle. Supplement.
Mm, 144.
Yes, 144. So now you have understood how to find out all these things. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to the example number 2. So here it has written, find the angle which is its own complement. Okay. So you have to find out the angle.
Sir, I have sent you the number.
Okay. Okay. I will call after that. Yes. So we will how to find out. It will be here written, if the angles are similar, two complement angles are similar. So how to find out that angle? So I have to take one angle will be x. Yes,
Yes,
I have
sir.
to take one angle will be x,
X.
and another angle also x, because we have known, means here it has written its own complement, means two angles are similar. Okay, so another
Yes,
angle
sir.
be also x. So I have to add these two angles. Okay, means 2x. So it will be 2x and it will be 90. Why 90? Because it is complement angle. Which angle?
Complement angle.
Complement. Complement means 90 degree. Okay. Then what to do? We have to divide that. Means x will be, x is equals to what? 90 by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 90 by 2, because here x has multiplied. Okay, and if we will, means 2 has multiplied, and if we will find out the value of x, then we have to divide that 2. Okay, with
Yes,
90,
sir.
then we will get 45 degree. What will get?
45 degree.
45 degree. Then next one, it has written in example 3, find the supplement of each of the following, and you have known how to find out the supplement. Okay,
Yes, sir.
supplement means we have to subtract from the 180 degree. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you have to subtract from the 180 degree, and if you do by process, then you have to write, let the supplement be x degree.
X degree.
Okay, then we have to add that x with given angle is equals to with equating 180 degree. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then add one angle here added, then we have to subtract that with this. Okay, here it has written. Where there is addition, we have to do the subtraction. Where there is multiplication, we have to do the division. We have known that
Yes,
before?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, we will get 55 degrees. We are getting this. Okay. So, now here written, the given angle measures 64. Also, we can find out. Yes, by subtracting.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Okay. So, in the supplement, we have to subtract the given angle with 180 degree. What will subtract?
180 degree.
Hmm. Then example number 4. So find the angle which is double of its supplement. Like that, it is similar to the question example number
Yes,
2. Okay. So here written find the angle which is double of its supplement. Okay, double of its supplement, not, it is not similar to the example number 2, because here written double the supplement. Means if the angle will be 90, okay, or 30. If one angle is 30, so what is its double?
sir. What is that?
If one angle is 30, then if I say what is the double of this angle?
60.
60. That means 2 into 30. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that means that 2 into
Yes, 30.
2 into 30. Okay, it is the double. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, so that here written one angle you have to find out which is the double of its supplement. Okay. So how to find out? So see this. So let us measure of the required angle Bx. So we have to take required angle is x. If required angle is x, so the measure of its supplement will be x by 2. Why x by 2? Why x by 2? Because we have known that double of the supplement. Okay, we have just, I have told you now, where there is addition, we have to do the multiplication, means subtraction. Where
Yes,
there
sir.
is multiplication, there we have to do
Division.
the division. Okay, so as it is known as the double means 2 into some angle. Okay,
Yes.
2 into one angle. So we have to find its measure of supplement. So we have to divide that 2 with that given angle. Okay. So here given
Yes, sir.
angle is x. We have taken that given angle is x. So another angle will be x by 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I say in ODR that ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ angle ଆମେ ନେଲେ x, supplement angle, required angle is the supplement angle. Required angle ଟା କ'ଣ? Supplement angle.
Supplement angle.
Okay, supplement angle ଟାକୁ ଆମେ ନେଇଗଲେ x, ଆଉ supplement angle ଟା କ'ଣ ହବ? Double ହବ. କ'ଣ ହବ?
Double.
Double ହବ. ତ ଆମେ ଯଦି ତାର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ angle ଯଦି ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛେ ନବା ପାଇଁ, ବା ତାର supplement ଯୋଉ angle ଟାକୁ ଆମେ double ନେଲେ ତାର supplement ଯଦି ଆମେ ପାଇବା, ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ କରିବା? ତା ଦେହରେ 2 divide କରିଦବା.
2 divide.
ହେଲା, କାରଣ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ୟାର ଡବଲ. ଓକେ, ଯଦି ମୁଁ କହିବି ଗୋଟେ angle ହଉଛି 30 degree, ଧର 90 degree, so 90 ର ଯଦି 90 ଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ନେଇଗଲି x, so another angle ତାର by 2 କରାହବ. That means it is
Yes, sir.
45. ହେଲା,
Yes, sir.
understood that? Now come to this. So we have got two angles. This angle पाइगले. One angle is x degree, another angle is x by 2 degree. So when we will add these two angles, what we will get? We will get 180 degree, as it has said about the supplement angle. Okay. If it has said about the complementary angle, then we will write 90 degree. Okay. If it will say that find out the complement, okay, then you have to write 90 degree. Okay, say similar process. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then how 2x here? How you will get the 2x? How?
X
How to
plus
solve this?
here it is given x plus x by 2. We will that
We will take the
reverse to the reciprocal, that it will be multiplication.
LCM. Okay, we will take the LCM of this. Okay, understood? Remember or not? How to find, how to take the LCM in the algebra part? We have read about that. Okay, I am also showing 1 minute. So here it has taken the LCM. Okay, so LCM will be 2. Yes? Yes or no? LCM will be 2 because the denominator of x is 1 and the denominator x by 2 is 2.
LCM of 1 and 2 is 2.
Is 2. Okay. So we have to multiply this 2 with x.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We have to multiply this 2 with x. So it will be 2x. Okay. And here divided 2. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now what we will do in the next step, we will take this 2 to the another side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you will take that 2 to the another side, that 2 will be multiplied with x 2. Okay. I'm also showing this. 1 minute. Just a minute. Are you able